Good morning, dear students. How are you? Fine. Hope all of you enjoy the weekend. Now we can start our chapter number 3, eating habits of animals. Okay, come to next slide. We can start. You saw the different animals eating in a different way. We can see here in detail. The animals are living things. As we know, we learned in previous chapters, animals are living things, and they need food to get energy for moving and to carry out their other activities in their daily life. Okay, we know that plants make their own food. The food for all animals including human beings comes directly or indirectly from the plants. These things we learn in our previous chapters. So now we can see here in this chapter these foods which we are getting, basically plants, how the animals eating their food. Based on the type of the food different animals eat, they are divided into three main types or three main groups. Herbivores, first name. The first group name is herbivores. Herbivores are the group of animals which are eating only plants or the parts of plants. So, and they are called as herbivores. The herbivores are the group of animal who are eating the plants and their products or parts of plants. Okay, example of herbivore animals: elephant, cow, horses, goat, sheep, rabbit. Okay, see in this slide or in your book, cow is a herbivore animal. Second group of the animal is that carnivore animals. Carnivore means the animals, you can see the picture of a lion eating another animal. Animal that eat the flesh of other animals are called as carnivore animals or carnivores. So what is the carnivores? Carnivores are the group of animals which are especially eating the flesh of other animal, flesh or meat we can say, of other animals. Those group of animals are called as carnivore animals. Now next, few example of carnivores are here: lion, tiger, cheetah, snake and foxes. Third group of the animals, that is called omnivore. Omnivores are the group of animals in which animals eat both plants and flesh of other animals, are called as omnivore. Example of omnivore animals are bears, crows. These are the omnivore animals. Human beings also. One more, cockroach is there also. These are called omnivore animals, and so on. We can see later. Okay. Here, check point is given. Circle the correct word. Elephants are herbivore oblique carnivore. We have to circle the correct answer. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called omnivore or carnivore. You can circle the correct answer. Thank you. Next. Up to here we learn, okay, how means animals eating the food, which type of the food they are eating. According to the food type of food, they are classified into herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Now how they are eating their food, means how they are taking their food inside their body. On that basis we will see the different group of animals here. So this is in your book, ways by which animals eat food. The different animals have different ways of eating food. The shape of the mouth and jaws and the teeth of animals depend upon the kind of food they eat. So now see, animals that swallow their food, means the we will discuss here in this under this heading, animal which are eating the whole food inside their body. Like, so some animals such as frog and snake swallow their food as a whole. They do not chew their food as they do not have biting or chewing teeth. A frog has a long sticky tongue which is used to catch its prey. When a frog spots an insect, it sticks out its tongue, means fire. and catches the insect. Then it rolls back the tongue inside the mouth, and prey will come, means insect will come in its mouth. Okay, in this way frog catching their prey. This is the question also in your book. Here one fact file is given. You can see the picture also in previous slide. There is a picture in your book. Frog have a long and sticky tongue while a snake swallow their food. Now fact file. Why do snake swallow their food whole? Snakes have needle sharp teeth which are not good for chewing. They help to give a better grip of the prey while swallowing. A snake can swallow an animal 2 or 3 times as big as its head. So you saw this very interesting fact is given. Okay, how in a snake without teeth they are take the whole food inside their body and digest it without chewing. They have the teeth that are called fangs or uh, teeth for biting in a defense, not for killing the their food item. Okay. Now here we can see in that section next some of the grass eating animals like cow means especially herbivore animals. As we know, herbivore eating the basically plant and plant parts of plant. So like in that category, the grass eating animals first bite the grass with their front teeth and swallow it quickly. After some time, they bring small amounts of food from their stomach back into their mouth. Then they keep chewing it well. This is called chewing the cud. You saw in your country, especially when you visited any village or nearby your residence place, also some you saw the some animals who are sitting and continuously uh, chewing something in their mouth. What they are eating, especially grass eating animals. Grass eating time they are taking the more grasses or parts of plant like leaf and other part of branch of part of the plants in their stomach quickly, but when they get the rest time, that time they take out from little amount of the food from the stomach and bring in their mouth and chew well for further digestion. So this is called chewing the cud process. So this is the process in which grass eating animal especially bring their food from the stomach back into the mouth and chew it well for further digestion. So this is called chewing the cud. See another topic. The giraffe has a long neck which helps it to reach the branches of the tall trees and eat leaves from there. Means why the giraffe have the long neck? So in this there is a reason. The giraffe has long neck which helps to reach the branches of the tall trees and eat the leaves from there. See another point. An elephant has a long trunk. Nose of the elephant in large, elongated, and it is called trunk, which helps it to break branches and leaves and push them inside its mouth. An elephant also uses its trunk like a straw to suck water. You saw the sometime any elephant playing in water pond or any water body. They are taking the water from the pond and spraying the other body that water with the help of their trunk. Okay, in this way they are eating and taking their food.